In JavaScript, the arraySum method returns whether or not at least one element in an array satisfies the given condition. First, we'll need an array, so let R equals an array with 2, 4, and 6. Next, we'll do let result equals R dot sum of arrow function that takes in x arrow and returns whether or not x is even. So x mod 2 equals 0. I have a video on arrow functions that I'll link to down below. For now, though, know that sum calls this arrow function on every element in the array. Each element gets passed into the function we provided, meaning an array element would correspond to the x argument. Sum returns true if at least one result of calling this function returns true, meaning at least one element is even in our case. If we console.log result and run the code, you'll see true, meaning that at least one element is even. Next, we'll change the example slightly to have sum check if at least one element is positive, so we'll change the arrow function to check that x is greater than or equal to 0. If we run this code, we'll again see true, meaning that at least one element is greater than or equal to 0. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.